everyone, welcome to IS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is G20 Cultural Heritage and Global Cultural Diplomacy. The Government of India has undertaken several initiatives to develop and showcase the cultural assets, exhibitions, and heritage. The G20 Culture Working Group came out with an outcome document titled the Kashi Culture Pathway, which advocated for advancing culture as a standalone goal in the post 2030 development agenda. This was further unanimously endorsed in the New Delhi Leaders' Declaration marked a historic milestone by aligning the G20 initiatives and international conference on recalling India's knowledge legacy through manuscript heritage was held on 11th and 13th September 2025 at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. During the India's G20 Presidency 2023, various cultural activities were organized at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi and other cultural heritage sites, monuments, etc. in several cities across the country. Bharat Mandapam operates on a self-sustainable model. The upkeep of heritage sites, museums, and other cultural institutions utilized during the G20 events is undertaken under existing schemes and regular budgetary positions of the Ministry of Culture and its organizations. The outcomes of cultural diplomacy initiatives are evaluated on the basis of measurable indicators such as the scale and outreach of cultural engagements, effectiveness of cultural exchange programs, institutional partnerships established, agreements, MOUs concluded, capacity building initiatives undertaken resulting in repatriation of many valuable artifacts and antiquities in India and sustained people-to-people exchanges arising from such initiatives. The Government of India is working to enhance and scale up all its cultural outreach activities to position India as a global cultural hub. Ministry of Culture implements global engagement scheme to promote India's rich cultural heritage internationally and enhance India's global image, which is administered through Indian missions abroad. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.